Hello everyone and welcome to my very first tutorial about managerial accounting. In this tutorial I want to talk about what is managerial accounting. To know that, first you need to know what is accounting in general. And accounting can be described as the way you describe a financial situation of an entity. Or in other words, it's kind of a language that you can communicate the financial situation for other people who are interested to know about it. It is one of different branches of accounting. We have managerial accounting, financial accounting, and tax accounting. This branch of managerial accounting is interested in cost calculations. So they want to know how costs behave in different circumstances. So you might guess that this type of accounting is so important for managers because they want to know, they want some proof or some tools to tell them if they make the certain decision they are gonna increase the proficiency of this company by decreasing the costs. So this kind of branch of accounting, it's so important for the managers because it helps them to make good decisions, hopefully, for the company. This is different than the financial accounting. Financial accounting usually it constructs balance sheet, income statement, and statement of cash flow at the end of every period, like quarter periods or a whole year. This branch does not involve in constructing those statements. Rather than it makes report as many time as needed, and usually the managers would request a certain report so they can make a decision. So we call those internal reports. Major accounting does not follow GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. Those are a set of rules set by the Congress that every company has to follow when they construct balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash flow, stuff like that. These rules are so important for the financial accounting. It's also called internal accounting because outside users like investors, creditors, suppliers are not interested in learning different information about how much your goods and services cost. I don't care. I want to know how much you're worth so I can invest in you or I can lend you some money. This branch of accounting does not involve this kind of activities. Managers are actually the internal users who need such information to make smart decisions, hopefully. Okay, so this was a quick definition for what's accounting, what's coming next in the future tutorials. I'm gonna talk about first important vocabulary like what's overhead, what's cost, conversion cost, stuff like that. What's cost of goods, cost of goods manufactured, and what is the cost of goods sold. Understand the difference between variable and fixed costs. Understand how you allocate overhead costs, and we'll learn what's overhead cost later if you don't know it. Outsourcing versus insource, process costing, and ABC system, activity-based costing. So see you in tutorial number 2.